Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Now we are going to learn and discussing about the basic skill and example question of perimeter and area of a segment of a circle. Of a circle meaning, okay, the area of shaded region. For example, like this diagram. Okay, straight away, right? Let's discuss the example question. For question 1, for each of the following diagram, find the perimeter and the area of the shaded segment. Okay, of the shaded segment. So for Roman 1, question Roman 1, okay, we want to find the perimeter, okay, the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so first step, we want to find the length of arc AB. Okay, so the length of arc AB, that means this one. Okay, the arc AB. Okay, so remember the formula. So we want to use S equals to R theta. Okay, given here, alright, given here, the value of R equals to 4.2 centimeter and the angle of sector equals to 60 degree and must be converted to radian. Okay, so straight away, so therefore S equals to R 4.2 times, okay, 60 degree times in radian, so 1 over 180 degree and proportional to pi radian. Okay, so cancel the unit and you will get 4.2 times 1.047 and the answer is 4.3974 centimeter. Okay, 4 decimal places. Okay, and now the issue here is how do we determine the chord? Okay, the chord of AB. Okay, so this is the blue color, the blue line is chord AB. Okay, so there are two methods you are going to use here. Okay, but first let me write down this first, length of chord AB. Okay, so there are two methods we can use. Okay, the first method is, okay, this is method 1, right? Okay, from here we can draw a right angle triangle between O, A, N. Let's say this is N. Okay, right angle triangle O, A, N. Okay, so let me draw here the right angle triangle. Okay, so let's say this is O, A, and N. So the radius is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, half of the angle is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. All right. So okay, and then this is the rest. Okay, this is the rest of let's say this is B. Okay, this is the B. 4.2 also. That means half. Okay, half. Right, 30 degree. Okay, so now I'm interested to find the value of AN. So AN, alright, opposite and hypotenuse. Therefore, we use the trigonometric function for sine trigonometry. Sine 30 degree equal to AN, opposite, over the hypotenuse is 4.2 centimeter. Therefore, AN equals to 4.2. Okay, multiply 4.2 multiply sin 30 degree. So we get 2.1. Okay, because of AN is half, so this is half and another half. Therefore, AB equals to 2 times AN, which is equals to 2 times 2.1 equals to 4.2. Okay, so this is method 1. Okay, how about method 2? Okay, so method 2, alright, as usual, alright, method 2. Okay, so this is the triangle of OA, AB. Okay, this is the radius 4.2 and 60 degree. Okay, so we straight away can use this formula. So AB equals to 2 times R sin theta over 2. Okay, so this is formula, right? This is formula straight away using formula of theta 2R sin theta over 2. Okay, so AB, so we get 2R is 4.2 times sine. Okay, so angle of the sector is 60 degree over 2. So we get 2 times 4.2, okay, times sine 30 degree. So you will get, using your calculator, 4.2 also. Okay, so therefore the perimeter, okay, the perimeter equals to, perimeter of shaded region equals to 4.3974 plus 4.2 equals to 8.5974 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we solve question Roman 1. Okay, find the perimeter of shaded region. Okay, now for Roman 2, okay, we are going to find the area of shaded region. Okay, area of shaded region. Area. Now area. Okay, before this, the perimeter. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, there are also two methods we can use. Okay, so but first method, okay, first method is the one by one. Okay, using one by one. Okay, so how to find the one by one? Okay, method one. Okay, so this is the area of the sector. Okay, 4.2 60 degree minus the triangle of OAB, triangle OAB, which is okay, the angle is 60 degree. Okay, so find the area of sector. So A equals to 1 over 2, R equals to 4.2 squared, and the sector is as you can see 60 degree, okay, equals to 1.047. Okay, for I'm referring to the earlier. Okay, so this one. Okay, 1.047. Okay, so straight away 1.047. So you will get, okay, the area equals to 9.2335. Okay, so now the first area of sector is already know. Now we want to find the area of segment, the triangle. Okay, so let's say this is the triangle OAB. Okay, 4.2 centimeter is the radius. Okay, and then okay, we draw the height. Okay, from A we draw a line of height of the triangle OAB, which is 90 degrees. So this is 60 degree. Okay, so okay, so AB 4.2. Okay, so how to find the area of segment? Okay, so using the trigonometry, sin 60 degree, alright, sin 60, that means, okay, so AC, okay, let's say this is C, so this is AC, alright, okay, proportional to the hypotenuse, so sin 60 equals to AC over 4.2 centimeter. Therefore, okay, AC actually is the height of the triangle, height of the triangle. Okay, so AC equals to 4.2 times sine 60 degree. So we get 3.6337. Okay, therefore area of triangle OAB or segment equals to A equals to 1 over 2 times height. Height that is AC times the base. Okay, the base is let's say OB. Okay, OB, right? And then so equals to 1 over 2 times AC equal to 3.637 times OB is the base or the radius. So using the calculator you get 7.638. Okay, so therefore area of shaded region equals to, okay, area of shaded region equals to 9.235 minus, okay, 7.638. So the answer would be 1.59. Okay, so this is for method 1, one by one. Okay, area of segment, alright, minus area of triangle, segment triangle. Okay, method 2 is more easier. Okay, straight away we use the formula. Okay, area of shaded region equals to, direct use formula. So this is the formula. Area of this is area of segment, 1 over 2 r squared theta minus 1 over 2. This is the area of segment or area of the triangle, r squared sin theta. Okay, theta can be in radian or this theta can be in radian or degree, but for this one must be in radian. Okay, so you have to memorize. Okay, you have to memorize this formula because okay, normally this formula is not given in the exam. Okay, and then straight away equals to 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2 because of 1 over 2 r squared is same terms, so we can factorize r squared, okay, bracket theta minus sine theta. And then we know, so 1 over 2, the radius is 4.2 squared, and theta in radian, okay, in radian is 1.047 minus sin in degree 60 degree. Okay, so for your information, okay, 60 degree, since 60 degree also can use the value of radian. Okay, but in the calculator you have to change the mode from D into radian. Okay, mode in calculator, your calculator. Okay, so straight away, okay, you will get 1 over 2 times 4.2 squared times 0.181. So therefore equals to 1.59 unit square. Okay, so for area, okay, there are two methods you can use, whether like this, okay, one by one, and the second one is memorize this formula, okay, this formula, and then substitute the value, and then you straight away can get the answer. So I hope you can understand. and you can memorize this type of formula, okay, because it's not given in the exam. Until now, thank you.